Hey guys, today in this video, I will show you how to edit your photos with dark red filter using Lightroom Mobile. Passwords for presets will appear as an iCard anytime in this video. So let's start editing. Bring the exposure to -0.39. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Contrast to 60 and highlights to -33. Shadows to 30. Bring whites to -37 and blacks to -23. Now go to curve and follow the steps. Click Done. Now bring temp to -5. Vibrance to 36 and saturation to 18. Now go to color mix. Bring saturation to -22 and luminance to -11 for red. Hue to -10 saturation to -100 and luminance to 12 for orange. For yellow, hue to -100, saturation to -65 and luminance to 37. Bring saturation to -100 for green, aqua, blue, purple and magenta. Click Done. Bring texture to 12 and clarity to 57. Details to 27 and vignette to -12. feather to 81. Now go to color grading and bring hue to 220 and saturation to 14 for highlights. Click Done. Noise reduction to 22 and color noise reduction to 35. Now let's try and copy settings to other photos.